In this video, I'm going to tell how to install YCF application. When you get the application, it is actually a zip file. The first step is to unzip this file to somewhere on your local drive. In this case, I already unzipped it to the same level as my zip file. Double click to open the application. You will find it contains two subfolders. One is zip bin folder, the other one is called YCF. The bin folder contains the app binaries for the YCF, and the YCF folder contains all the configurations of the system. So the next step is to create a shortcut for the YCF application so that you can start the application. Go to the bin folder, and for the Windows system, go to Windows subfolder. There you can see there's a create shortcuts.exe. Double click the executable. It will pop up a window asking for a standalone client config.xml file. This file is located in the YCF folder. So if we go back to the YCF folder, you'll find the client config.xml file. Simply copy the path, Control C, and paste it here so that the application can find the client config.xml file. You can also use the browser button to locate the client config.xml file. You have three options to create your shortcut. You can either create it on the desktop, or create it on the start menu, or create in the region home. This region home is actually the environment, the path, as I shown here in the YCF folder. So in this case, I'm going to create in the region home. Then you click create shortcuts. It will tell you that the shortcuts are successfully created. Click OK and close that. So as you can see, we've already created a YCF shortcut. So the next step is we can start the YCF application by double click this shortcut. This might take a while for the first time starting up the YCF application. So when you have to allow the application to pass the firewall. The application is loading all the configurations. Okay, this is the YCF application. As you can see here in the Tasks tab, there are a couple of folders. For this installation video, we're going to introduce only the first two folders. The first default folder, it contains the how-to menu workflow. So click on the how-to menu. You'll find on the menus several PDF files. One of them, actually the first one, is the how to install PDF. Click on that PDF. It will tell you, it will point you to the PDF content. Please read the content carefully. And there's also some prerequisite to run the YCF application for certain type of models. For example, the chess model, you have to install the MATLAB runtime environment, and for Topo Optimizer, you have to install the Docker. So here is the link that point you to the right location to download the MATLAB runtime environment and the Docker. So the next step for the installation is the binary maintenance workflow. So in order to have a working environment running chess, running topo optimizer, or any other models, you need to have all the environment being prepared. So click the export binary Python JIE Dakota and execute the run button here. It will tell you that this workflow is running. What this workflow is doing is to basically export the three packages for you and prepare the working environment for running different workflows or different models. Please note that this workflow may take several minutes or up to even more than 10 minutes, depends on your computer specifications. However, this workflow may only need to be executed once. Once it's executed, you can start running any other workflows. I'll come back to once this workflow is completed. So I'm gonna pause my video. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the workflow of export binaries is completed. The icon also shows that the workflow node has changed to a green box with a white tick mark. This indicates the workflow is completed actually successfully. Now the environment is prepared and you are ready to run other workflows. This is the end of the how to install video.